In the past 7 days, I've made over $7,000 using TikTok Shop. And in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do it too. You don't need to be an influencer with thousands of followers to do this. Anyone can do it. I'm even gonna be showing you the products that are making people over $10,000 every single month. So all you need to do is copy them and do it for yourself. And just to show I'm not lying, here's a clip of me refreshing my bank account to show that I've received deposits worth over $7,000. To start this video though, I want to give a quick explanation as to how TikTok Shop works. There are thousands of people creating content on TikTok every single day promoting various products. In the past, people would use drop shipping or affiliate marketing to make some money on the platform. But now with TikTok Shop, it's almost as if the two of them have been combined. All you need to do is find a product currently going viral on the app, create content with it, and dependent on how many sales you make, you'll make money for commissions on every single product you sell. Typically, the commission rates per product varies, but you can expect anywhere between 10 to 30% commission on every product sold. So for example, if you sell a product for $50, you could potentially be making up to $15 per sale. There are other products that you can sell, but the commission isn't always great. For example, I sold this bundle product right here at a $60 price point and 20% commission, which means I earned $12 on every unit sold. Now that we know how TikTok Shop works, you need to become an affiliate. Now, if you want to become an affiliate so you can start selling some products, you're gonna need some followers. In the US, you need over 5,000 followers, and in the UK, you need over 1,000. You can also do TikTok Shop in other countries, but these two are the ones that I have experience with. This is by far the most frustrating part of the process, but don't worry. I'm gonna show you exactly what to do to get around this. The first way is to use an account that already has over the required amount of followers that you might already have. Now, what I've seen work best is to grow a page that's related to the products that you want to sell. The way this method works is to make that type of content yourself and grow this page from scratch until you have enough followers to gain TikTok Shop affiliate access. I know people who've done this before using a secret method that nobody on YouTube is talking about. So if you want me to make a video on that, just go ahead and comment method on this video and I'll make a whole video explaining how to do it. The last method is just to buy an account from somebody else. If you want to do this, go ahead and check out the link in the description to buy one. If you don't want to use it though, that's completely fine. There's a ton of other ways to find accounts, but personally, that's what I like to do. Once you have an account set up, it's time to go ahead and find a product to sell. Before I show you the exact method I use to find winning products, we need to go over my winning product criteria. When I'm looking for products, I normally look for products that are problem solving, have a medium to high price point, and are currently trending. When I say problem solving, I just mean that in some way, shape, or form, the product provides value to the customer. This could be as simple as a nice tasting snack or as complex as a supplement that helps them get rid of bloating. By currently trending, I mean that it is on fire. It is much easier to sell a product that everybody knows about and everybody already wants to buy. Not only that, when a listing has a large number of units sold, that is fantastic social proof, which will help your conversions and sales even more. You don't need to be a brand savior and bring their listing from 0 to 100 units sold. Instead, hop on the train when it's already moving and help them get from 10,000 to 11,000 units sold. The first way to do this is to use the information that TikTok will just give out to you. So I'm on my burner phone right now, scrolling through, and right at the very top of the TikTok Shop page, you see today's deals. If you go ahead and click that, you'll see a bunch of products that are already trending on TikTok Shop. Let's check them out. So right here, we have these collagen peptides with 600,000 sold. You know that's trending. What else do we have? 7,000 sold on this Shilajit. The Shadow Journal, 627,000 sold. This Scale, 26,000 sold. And not just that, if we go back to the home page, go ahead and refresh it. There's also featured brands, things in the spotlight. So if we go ahead and hit featured brands, we see some more trending products, 28,000 sold. So just like that, in a matter of minutes, we already have so many different products to choose from to run up as an affiliate. Another way to find trending products is to go to the pages of popular influencers who only promote TikTok Shop products. Going back on the burner phone here, two that I like to look at a lot are Ty Buggy. Now his main page was recently taken down, so he has his backup right now, and he mainly posts clothing content on this. It's still some trending clothes for sure. Look at these, they're sitting at around 165,000 sold. Same shoes. And these corduroys right here, 21,000 sold. So two definitely trending products found pretty quickly. Another I like to look at is Emily's World. So let's see what she's got going on. She's got, the D3K2 that we saw earlier. How many sold is that? 292,000 sold. That's D3K2. Another one, Magnesi Om. 11,000 sold. So just like that, in a matter of 45 seconds, we've already found 4 potential trending products that we could run as an affiliate. At this point, you've got the TikTok shop account, you've found the winning product, and it is time to make some content. There is a lot that goes into making content on TikTok. When a piece of content goes viral on TikTok, it's not an accident. There's actually a process that I go through every time when I make a video to ensure that they go viral. Step 1 is to find viral content on TikTok, and this can be done by using something called the burner method. It's where you want to make a brand new TikTok account and only interact with videos in your niche. For example, if I'm trying to sell supplements that help with bloating, I'll start scrolling through my For You feed and only interact with videos that are about helping bloating, relieving bloating, or supplements that help with bloating. After a while, TikTok will pick up on this and only start to show me videos that have to do with bloating. As I do this, I make sure I save all of the ones that perform best and stuck out to me the most. Once I have a bunch saved up, I will look through them and see which ones I think I can best recreate. I like to recreate videos that match my personality, so I'll make sure to look through and find some videos made by creators that are similar to myself. Some things I look for are similar physical appearance, similar tonality of voice, and I see that our personalities are similar in one way or another. Then once I find the videos I plan to recreate, I write out all the scripts on a Google Doc and compare them to one another. As I look through them, I look for what parts of the script seem to help the video the most and what parts of the script seems to hurt the videos the most. And I look for any similarities I can see within all of them. Then I essentially Frankenstein some new scripts together by taking the best parts of all the scripts I just studied and adding in some sentences of my own here and there. Lastly, with my newly made scripts, I will go and film the videos. I like to film them in similar settings as the videos that I took inspiration from were filmed in. For example, if one of them was filmed in a car, I'll go ahead and film a video in my car. If one of them was filmed in a kitchen, I'll go ahead and film that video in my kitchen. If you follow every single step in this video, you will make money. But if you want to watch that video where I reveal how to go viral every single time on TikTok, watch this video right here.